Hey guys, here we are at Top Golf in Myrtle Beach, and what are we celebrating today?
His birthday!
It's my birthday, so we decided to come out 35 years old. All right, yeah, getting it. So we are at Top Golf in Myrtle Beach, and we've been wanting to try this out for a while, and I think this one opened up maybe about 6 months ago.
So brand spanking new.
Brand spanking new. So we're gonna give it a shot, and we're gonna vlog and try it all out, and we'll give you guys our little review. But we're really excited about this. Should be a good time.
Yep. Let's get to it. Yeah.
Let's get to it.
We've got a little shamrock hat.
So this is the clubhouse. Just so everyone knows, this is the clubhouse for Top Golf. It's on the first deck, right when you walk in the front door.
We have a lanyard. I'm guessing for like a camera or something.
Cool little Top Golf lanyard is how much? $7.99.
We have some gloves to keep that grip on for a certain amount of money. I can't really find out. We have this little nice cozy blanket.
Ooh, that's soft too, huh?
Yes, very soft. For $25.
Okay, $25. That's not too bad.
This awesome shirt right here. And it's for $16.
Cool.
And then
That's a cool shirt.
here, that was a cool shirt. We have a lot of Top Golf hats.
So all sorts of different hats. We got Top Golf Myrtle Beach merch. Under Armour brand. Okay, so these are all flex fit.
This is a visor from Callaway for $30. That's a lot, but you know, it's a nice hat. And then we got awesome socks.
Oh, check out all these cool socks.
These
Nice.
socks are amazing.
Okay, and then Eagle socks. It doesn't get more patriotic than that. That is very cool. How much are these socks? Check it out. I mean, they're pretty cool socks. Ooh.
$14.
$14. $14 for those patriotic American Eagle
Now,
socks.
a lot of these socks are themed to teams like Clemson.
We are in South Carolina, so we have Clemson. We have, it looks like Charlotte Hornets socks right here. I don't know what these ones are. Maybe.
I guess just America.
And then we got Clemson
American
again.
Soccer, I think.
And they also have these Top Golf Myrtle Beach branded shirts for the girls that are pink. Those are kind of cool. And what's this one say? Here for the win, which I'm definitely here for. What about you?
Woo!
Here for the win. You're gonna beat me. So here we are, guest services counter right at the front, and then we have some more adult merchandise over there. So also on the first floor, they have the main bar area. Looks like they have a lot of flat screen TVs with a bunch of different games on right now. And on the main screen, what do they got, CJ? They got some World Cup. I think it's Women's World Cup. USA's up right now on Spain, 2-1. So that's always good. But that is one giant screen. CJ, come stand in front of me. Check out that screen, guys. That is crazy. Wow, that's huge. How about if we got one like that in our house? I'd be doing that same dance. This is the third floor bar area, so I guess each floor has its own specific bar area, which is kind of cool. Over here, they call this foosball. Oh, by the way, we're joined by Mom and little brother, Weston. There he is. And then there's, of course, CJ. So we are headed over to Bay 308, right? So here we are. This is where we're going to be golfing from.
Hi, this is exciting.
Yeah. So we're checking out the drink and food menu. Looks like I guess they do serve breakfast burrito, sandwich, open until 2. So they actually serve breakfast until 2 p.m. That's kind of cool though, right? Gives you more options. Weekend brunch, chicken and waffles. We are in the South, so chicken and waffles are huge. Over here you got brunch better, carrot cake waffles. Brunch cocktails, mimosas, built-in mimosa, screwdrivers, red sangria, pina coladas, beer, different seasonal selections, and then I guess golf bag drinks. That's kind of interesting. A little golf club straw.
That is cute. You gotta keep it.
Of course. I would imagine for 16. How much are they? $9. Yeah, I'm sure. It's just a souvenir cup and straw. Let's get to the food. Let's see what we got for food over here. So we have appetizers. Blackened fish tacos look good. Korean spicy fried cauliflower. That's interesting. Wings. Of course, bar fare. Typical bar fare is going to be wings. Beer queso. Pretzel bites. We're going to take a look. They got some pizza, flatbread pizzas, different types of flatbread pizzas, and they have burgers. They have Impossible burgers. They got sandwiches, sliders, salads, and they, of course, got desserts. And for the kids, they got junior cheeseburger, chicken bites. We've heard about these. These are the injectable donut holes, and we are definitely going to order some of those. So stay tuned. This is CJ's first time golfing, so he's looking pretty good so far though. He was the first one to get points on the board. So after 3 balls, I am doing horrible. CJ is winning. He's got a score of 2, and now Sarah is up. We come over here to the computer screen, change it to Sarah, and now it's Sarah's turn. A swing and a miss. The one rule was don't end up in that net over there. So let's try to stay away from that.
Don't end up in the helmet.
She may need professional lessons, folks.
A swirly girl.
There we go. There we go. Not bad. Not bad. She made a connection with the ball that time. How'd it feel?
It was nice. Hi. We got some white sangria. Looks like it has some strawberries and lemon, lime. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's good? There you go.
I finished with 54. Casey coming in at a close 36, and Cameron at a 11. But hey, we're all working on it. Those wings smell good.
So we ordered the injectable donut holes. We have Bavarian cream frosting, which it comes with. We have chocolate frosting, and we have chocolate frosting, and then we have a raspberry jelly. This one's Bavarian cream, and we're gonna give them a shot and tell you guys how they are. So which one are you trying?
The chocolate. Injectable. Whoa!
Oh, no, you don't inject the whole thing, bud.
I just put in a small pot.
How is it?
That's good. Do the Bavarian cream. That one's really good. Good?
They don't taste like donut holes as much as they taste almost like funnel cakes to me. But it's very good. Very good.
So those donut holes, they were good. Just on point. Now, I'd like to talk about the different flavors. I feel like the chocolate one tastes a lot like Nutella. Which, I mean, I kind of got tired of Nutella, but after not having it for a while, it's actually really good.
Just to add to CJ's point about the donut holes, they were $11. They came with 2 cups of donut holes, and I kind of feel like there was a good value.
Definitely worth it.
There was 3 of us, me, CJ, and Sarah were eating from it, and it was a nice little appetizer. So I definitely recommend them.
They were delicious.
So Sarah smoked us in the last game, so I just went first, and I, after 5 balls, have a score of 31. Now it's CJ's turn. You got it. That was a practice swing. Practice swing. There you go. So final score of the last game. I got 75, Sarah got 49, and CJ's World got 27. Nice job. So we just finished up our first time at Top Golf here in Myrtle Beach. What do you guys think?
It was pretty awesome.
It was really fun. And Weston was really, 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 really well behaved.
When I started out, I was really bad at it, but at the end, I feel like I was getting a lot better at golf, and I think it was because I tried hard here.
Yeah, we definitely all played a little bit better towards the end.
We went from sucking to just being bad. So
yeah,
I think that's an improvement.
We moved up on the scale 1 notch from being horrible to being not completely horrible, which is good. No, but we definitely played our best round on our last round. And
yes.
As far as the price goes, I feel like $35 for an hour was pretty good. We actually spent 2 hours here. We got an appetizer of the donut holes, and we each got some, or me and Mom got some sangria. CJ got a what?
Coca-Cola.
Coke Zero, and it was a good time. The prices aren't horrible; they're actually pretty decent,
yeah,
competitive, and it's an awesome time. So we highly recommend it.
Yes, and Weston ate his shoe.
And Weston ate his shoe. All right, guys. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.